Good morning, class. Today we are doing the activity to observe plant cells under the microscope. So here in this animation you can see that the material required: medium-sized onion, slide, cover slip, petri dish, forceps, knife, needle, distilled water, glycerin, dropper, blotting paper, safranin solution, compound microscope, brush. Now, what is the procedure? Take a medium-sized onion and cut it laterally into 4-5 pieces with the help of a knife. Now after this, as you can see here that we have cut it into 4-5 pieces with the help of knife. Now remove a scale leaf from one of the piece. Break the scale leaf gently from the middle and peel a small portion from the delicate epidermis. Epidermis means that is the covering of the onion. Now cover the inner surface of scale leaf. Remove the delicate epidermal peel with the help of forceps and place it in the watch glass containing distilled water. Take another watch glass and place it in 3 to 4 drops of safranin solution. Now with the help of brush, transfer the peel in water into the safranin solution for staining and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2 to 3 minutes, what will you observe? Transfer the peel back to watch glass containing water. This will remove the extra stain sticking to the peel. After this, take a clean glass slide and pour 1-2 drops of glycerin. Transfer the stained peel on the drops of glycerin on the slide with the help of brush, and the peel may tend to curl up with the help of needle and brush flatten the peel. Place the cover slip on the slide in such a way that no air bubble enters in it. Gently press the cover slip with the needle to spread the glycerin and peel properly. Now, remove the extra material surrounding the slide with the help of blotting paper. Now, examine the slide under compound microscope. Now, you can see the magnified view under the compound microscope. There are large number of cells lying side by side with distinct cell wall. As you can see here, cell wall and cell membrane. A largely stained nucleus is present in the cytoplasm, as you can see here in the slide. And a prominent vacuole is the center of each cell that is surrounded by the cytoplasm. You can see the vacuole also. So the cell under observation are the plant cell. Why? Because cell wall and large vacuoles are clearly seen. Thank you.